Invertebrates are animals that do not have backbones. They comprise 96% of animal species, making them the most diverse group in the animal kingdom. These include the insects, worms, sponges, and corals, to name a few. They inhabit all environments, from forests to cities, streams to seas. Some are even found inside of other animals as parasites of vertebrates, and even other invertebrates. Invertebrates play a vital role in our planet. Insects such as bees and butterflies aid in pollination. Worms help in decomposition and recycling of nutrients. And corals serve as home for most fishes and other marine creatures.
We currently have 4,000 accessioned specimen lots. These include cnidarians, mollusks, non-insect arthropods, as well as other groups like your echinoderms and marine worms, also known as the polychaetes. So our collections are from various sources. A lot of these are from collectors, faculty researchers, as well as field collections from taxonomy courses. The notable collections that we have are the scleractinian or hard corals by Francisco Nemenzo Sr., the barnacles by Neon Russell, who was also a former professor, and the mollusk collections from Fernando Diorite, a prominent shell collector, and P.M. Delgado, who was a prominent shell dealer.
In 2012, through an OVCRD Source of Solutions grant, the concerted efforts of invertebrate biology instructors, student assistants, student volunteers, and Philippine Science High School interns, the specimens in the Invertebrate Museum were cataloged, digitized, and rehoused. In 2019, the museum started DNA barcoding over 300 specimens of mollusks, sponges, and corals.
Coral collections of the UPDIM is mainly a product of the work of Professor Nemenzo. He collected corals through donations, and he described many of them. The culmination of his work, which was in series of volumes, was produced into a book in 1986 called Flora and Fauna of the Philippines. And here he described many of the important corals, wherein some of these are actually holotype or the original descriptions of that specimen, the very definition of that species.
The research collections are currently housed on the third floor of the Institute of Biology, while several specimens are on display in the museum exhibit area near the site entrance. The Invertebrate Museum continues to offer other services such as identification and certification of various invertebrate samples. Reach us through the UP Biology website. Invertebrates are everywhere, so be sure to keep an eye out for them.